In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign out of your Google account on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and that you are on any normal Chrome window. You do not need to be on a specific website for this. As long as Chrome is running, you are ready for the next part. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. Near the three-dot menu, you will see your Google account image or profile picture. In some cases, this may show a photo, an initial, or a generic profile icon if no photo has been added. This icon represents the Google account currently connected to Chrome. Click on that profile image. This will open the account or profile menu. Take a moment to look through the options that appear. This menu is where Chrome lets you manage the account that is signed in, and it is also where you can access the Sign Out option. From this menu, click the option that says Sign Out of Chrome. Once you select it, Chrome will sign your Google account out of the browser. Depending on your setup, Chrome may also pause syncing. That means bookmarks, history, passwords, and other synced information will no longer stay connected to that account in the browser until you sign back in. After signing out, you may notice that the profile picture changes, disappears, or returns to a default profile icon. That is a simple way to confirm that the account is no longer signed in. If you were signed into multiple browser profiles, make sure you are signing out of the correct one before closing the window. A helpful tip is to double-check the top right corner after the sign-out is complete. This makes it easier to confirm that the account has been removed from the active Chrome session. If needed, you can always sign back in later from the same area. That is all there is to it.